Hello friends, in my last lecture you have understand this full column and conditional formatting. Right now what I am going to teach you this day left to column which I have created earlier in my first or second lecture, right? But you may surprise that why I have created and when I am going to use this thing, because unless and until we have so far didn't use this thing. This column we are going to use in my VBA section for shooting mail directly from Excel. So right now what I am going to do with this cell, that sometimes it happens that we require only positive value. That means from 0 to positive value. That means how many days are left. Let's say over here it is 87 days. But whenever the K column is overdue, I want that it must be write the 0. Let me give you by taking this, writing this equation. If this column, K column, is equal to overdue, right? That means that whenever this column is filled with overdue, I need value. If you have not properly understand this if command or if equation, then go to my previous lecture in which I have given proper understanding of this if equation, right? So right now I'm going to directly use this thing for this G column. So K7 is overdue, then if value is true, I directly want to write down the 0. And if value is false, then I want to calculate again that if this column is less than 0, that means that if this is negative value, then I want to blank this thing, right? Or else I want to calculate how many days are left. I want to write down this thing. Understand? So this bracket is over, this is again second bracket over and done. So what it is calculating over here, it is calculating 0 or 0. I'm just pasting this value. See what it has calculated, that it is calculating 87 days are left. If it is closed, then it is writing this empty cell. But see over here the equation is available, right? But if we do this W, then it will be considered as overdue because the date is passed. That's why it is overdue and it is written this 0. And when, let me tell you when we are going to use. Let us say that you want to send a mail to the person whenever the value of this column is either 0 to 7. That means you want to shoot a reminder to the person or to the responsible guy at 0 to 7 days. That means before target date you want to start sending a reminder via directly Outlook to him. So that's why we have used over here this 0 to 7. We will use this bound, this 0 to 7. That's why we want this positive value over here. But 0 is indicating that the status is strongly overdue. And at that point the mail must be shoot. So this is what we require. So right now I am just copying this cell and applying to this whole column. So finally we have completed this sheet, and in my next lecture I will teach you to use this responsibility and email ID. So see you soon in the next lecture. Do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more such updates.